Japan power.
Japan power.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at Anthony's house really quick, starting off the morning, picking up his wheels because he's gonna drop them off to Jirath to get them ceramic coated. OG Bronze TE37s, let's go. He's gonna be throwing that on the S2K pretty soon once he gets some tires. But today, fingers crossed, a pretty easy day. We're gonna be doing a full coilover install on the S2000. Maybe some additional stuff, I don't know yet. We'll see how long it takes us to get the coilovers on. I'm sure it won't take long to do everything, but just to make sure, you know, every time you're working on a car, there's always something that kind of doesn't work out the way you want it to. So, fingers crossed. We're just going to caravan over to Jirath's house, get back in the garage, and get started. Okay, so while Anthony is finishing with like the preload and whatnot.
Oh yeah.
What do you think of that?
No comment.
We're gonna go ahead and start taking off the stock suspension so you can start on the front. Can you even see me? Or is it dark?
Yeah, it's a little dark, but it works. That's good.
Can you see me now?
What the hell is even that?
Hold on, I think there's one. No. On, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the Daytona on.
So here are the stock struts and springs compared to coilovers. Obviously these are all nicer. Pretty simple on these. You have one bolt down here, two on each side, and then you have the two top nuts. It's honestly like almost perfect. Good temporary height. That's nice.
Ooh, it's stiff.
The 2-finger gap versus that 4-finger gap.
Oh, shit. Maybe my calculations are a little off. Gosh damn, son.
It looks good though.
I'll do it.
Done with the front. Same thing to the rear, and it should be looking good.
Back that car up.
Back that ass up. Oh shit!
Brake cleaner.
Turn to your left.
Yeah, that one. That's so much more to go.
Alright, and then we figured it's a lot easier, like Jirath said, to just do this bottom bolt, unscrew these top mounts, and then just have someone step on the rotor, and then it'd be easy to just pull it out. And then obviously with the new coilover, it's going to be easier since it's shorter. That's it.
Oh, man. There you go. Come on.
Alright, so all the coilovers are on, and now it's just adjusting the height to his preference. And then we're just going to adjust the dampening and should be done.
So this is my S2000 2006. Had it since last September, so it's been a little time, but honestly I have a lot of stuff for the car but just haven't put it on. So kind of working with Geno and Jirath and no rush, I'll be able to kind of put it all together. So what'd you show them? TEs?
Kind of.
Yeah, so I have the TEs. I'm looking for tires right now. It's a square setup, so this is a 17 by 9 with a 34 offset. So it's not the unicorn spec. Unicorn evasive is like 47, and if it's perfectly flush with the fenders. But I mean, OG TEs, brand new, straight from Japan. It's like one of the last batches they had. So pulled the trigger on those. So I got my craft squares. Pretty sick. I actually wanted these more than the APR mirrors, because the APR mirrors look good, but $300 compared to like $900. I know these are better quality. So, and I was gonna get them eventually, so might as well. Hold on tight.
Looks so clean.
I'm excited. Good job, dude. Fudge, dude. Gee.
So we're gonna go pick up food and test out the coilovers, I guess. Well, they already tested. What did you guys think?
It's good.
Feels really good, but it gets a little bouncy.
It's a little bouncy on the ramp, but we just adjust it one more time, so he's gonna drive it and see how he feels. So now you're gonna go to the same route, same lane.
Yeah.
You'll feel that bounce.
A little understeer too, with the being super soft.
I think that's driver error.
Probably.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, we'll be back. Don't kill me, okay?
I'll try. And I have a front bumper coming in too, and carbon fiber side skirts.
Feel better?
Yeah, it feels better.
Why that was like more bouncy?
Yeah, I think one stiffer. Yeah, so we drove for the second time, or I drove the second time around, the same route that I went with Jirath, and I ended up making one harder. So we started off at 15 from hard, we bumped it down to 12 from hard, but then now we're 11 from hard. Because I like my ride a little stiffer than soft, and it should be good.
Hello! Now it's finally time to eat. Whoa, damn. Look what your car did to my food.
Oh shit.
Ready? Hey, and that's it. Now we just got done.
I was like, why didn't he snap?
So yeah, we just got done eating, and then we're gonna go ahead and put
That's so funny.
the side markers on. I mean the side markers and the side. Bro, I'm tired. I'm full.
Alright, so we got the left side, or driver's side mirror off. Jirath putting in his final touches. So here you go. It was not hard at all. Just 3 bolts and just pretty much unplugging the power to it, and that's it. It just comes right off. So we're throwing these craft squares on. Super stoked. Probably weighs less than a pound. For sure less than a pound actually. Should be good.
Wow, race car. I want to see the difference.
Actually, it's a lot closer than I thought it would.
Let me see. I don't even know if you can tell in the mirror. It looks clean. Show the dirt on the.
Looks cleaner than you. Well, this is the.
Wait, what?
So now see the black gunk. This came from all the chrome polish with the chrome right here. So I'm not sure.
This is called the chrome package?
How long?
The chrome package.
This is what the car looks like. Let me stand back. Not bad. It'll look even better once you get your wheels and everything.
Yeah, so I got my wheels that I need to put on.
Front
my
bumper.
Wheels, tires. I got my raised lugs today. And then I have a Voltex rep, Group A front bumper, RX-7 side skirts, or side blades. And that's it for now, dude.
You already have all those?
Yeah, well, my the front bumper is being fabricated. My side skirts are ready, so I'm going to pick them up all at once. Oh, windshield on Monday.
Oh, look at you. Your car's going to be done tomorrow. Jirath's going to do a special
treatment.
Special treatment with the ceramic coating.
Ceramic coating. He's going to put a little extra white powder on there. Yeah.
So today we learned that. What did we learn?
Not a damn thing!
Well, we actually had a good day today.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
No problems.
We didn't run into any problems besides none.
Really?
Nothing. Yeah.
No problems.
Nothing. But once we go back and work on BMW, you know that we's gonna run into some problem.
Well, that's going to be it for the video. Coilovers and side mirrors install on Anthony's S2000.
More to come.
Yeah, definitely
Plenty
more.
more to come.
What is the YouTube thing? Come on, you do this more than me. What do I say at the end? Like and subscribe. Comment down below. I don't even know why you would comment down below, but just comment down below, you know? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay.